Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the FEMORO SATA to USB adapter with power supply. You can get this product on Amazon for about $14. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality product. The adapter works with internal 2.5-inch SSD, 2.5-inch HDD and 3.5-inch HDD. If you want to use it for a 3.5-inch HDD, you need to attach the included power supply. Using the adapter is very easy. It's just plug and play and your computer automatically recognizes your hard drive. The adapter can be used with a regular USB port or USB-C port. I tested the adapter for a few months and I think it's a great product. It's very easy to use and pretty affordable. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality SATA to USB adapter, I would recommend the FEMORO SATA to USB adapter with power supply. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.